Hello, for today's On the Shelf video, I would like to talk to you about plant care. We've already done a video about just having your child watering the plants inside. It's also great if they can be watering plants outside, whether that is with a watering can or a bucket or the hose. The children really love to do that kind of activity. Another thing that we do in our classroom is leaf washing, and it's also a great exercise for them to do at home. It really enables them to really pay attention to the botany aspects of the plant, leaf shapes, but also just like care of the plants. So usually we set it up with just a simple tray, one for water and one for either a little cloth. In our classroom we have a little cloth that we had made, or you can just use cotton balls. And it's good if on the shelf you also have a resupply of cotton balls, this is just so that they can take a new one if they need it, and then also some sort of compost. So it can be like a little bucket that you have for compost specifically for this activity, or it can just be your regular compost if you want them to bring it to wherever they're working, or you can just have like a little bucket to take when they're done. So I'm going to take this one. So one thing that we want to show them is just to look for any leaves that might be damaged or dead, and to go ahead and pull those away and put those in the compost. And we just tell them, that we want all of the nutrients and water to go to the healthy plants or leaves, so we'll just take the dead pieces away, and that helps the plant be healthy. And then I like to give them a little pitcher. They could fill this with water from wherever they get their water supply at your house. And then if you have a little pitcher, just that will be the same amount as what they will need in their container. That's great. Or they can just take their bowl and fill it up. It's up to you. And then they just dab it. And the only thing that really is helpful is if when you're showing them to do it, that they hold the plant leaf in their hand so that it really identifies the shape of the leaf. So just put the stem between two fingers and hold it in the palm of their hand, and gently just wash the top of the leaves. And it really helps them with like precision of movement and identifying what is too rough and what is too light to really do the work. So this is just a really simple activity to encourage some botany in your house and also to help take care of your plants.